In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a coupon on Agoda, the best method to make your booking experience more affordable and enjoyable. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Agoda official site. Agoda is known for providing competitive rates and a wide variety of accommodation options worldwide. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the option for free cancellations and numerous booking deals available to over 2 million hotels. This already sets the stage for a promising experience. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in. A convenient way to do this is by signing in with Google. This method not only saves time but also keeps your login credentials secure and easily manageable. Look for the sign in option, which is typically at the top right corner of the web page, and choose to sign in with Google. By doing so, you ensure you're logged into your account, which is necessary for applying any coupon codes you might have. Now that you're logged in, navigate back to the Agoda homepage. This is where all your search and booking options will be located. From here, you can begin your search for the perfect hotel or flight. Click on the search bar, enter your destination details, the dates of your stay, and the number of guests. Agoda will then present you with a range of options suited to your preferences. Once you've identified a hotel or flight that meets your needs, the next step is to select it. Agoda will display all the necessary details such as room types, bed preferences, and amenities offered by the hotel. Carefully review these options to ensure they align with what you're looking for. After selecting your preferred accommodation or flight, click on the Book Now button. This action will take you to the booking summary page, where you'll find a detailed overview of your selection, including the total cost. It's crucial at this stage to double check all the details to ensure everything is accurate. Now here's the part where you get to use your coupon. Look for the field that allows you to enter your promotional code, which is typically located near the payment summary. Enter your coupon code carefully and apply it. If your code is valid, you'll see the discount reflected in the total cost, giving you that much anticipated reduction in price. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully applied a coupon on Agoda, making your trip a bit more budget friendly. Remember, if you face any issues during this process, Agoda's customer service is just a click away to assist you. Enjoy your booking process and, of course, your upcoming trip.